In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Typeform in email. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to typeform.com and into this part, proceed to click on this Get Started, It's Free option. Using this, you can actually sign up, or you can also just click on the sign up option that we have into this part. Just choose either way which one you want. So on my case, since I already have an account, let me just proceed to click on this login option that we can see into this part. Now here is my Typeform dashboard. In order to embed your Typeform in email, what you can do is you can just click on that particular form and then it will open the form editor for that particular form that you have. Now once your form editor has opened, you can see these options right here. So click on the share option from this part. Once you have selected that, it should be able to show you some search choices that you can actually give. So in here, you can already see this embed in an email option. So let's click on this option right there. After that, it will give you in here this, and here is an example of the email that they will craft for you. So this is what it will look like. So this is just an example and a placeholder. But if you want to start embedding it, you can proceed to actually start it so it can edit or it can work with email embedding. So technically, as you can see, I have an error because my first question is actually a group question. So a group question is actually unsupported for that. So you can just proceed to actually fix all of the error that you have. Once your errors has been fixed, you can proceed to actually embed it into your email directly onto your actual type form itself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.